You can absolutely make a solid perfume that doesn't contain any beeswax. This is a vegan-friendly recipe. Before we actually make our solid perfume, let's go ahead and just go over the ingredients that are going to be used in the solid perfume. First up is candela wax. This is a plant-based alternative to beeswax. It provides the solid structure to our solid perfume and holds the scent to our skin, which is going to make the perfume last longer. Next is fractionated coconut oil. Unlike regular coconut oil, in this form, it's going to remain liquid at room temperature. It's a lightweight and a non-greasy oil. Lastly is fragrance oil. This is where the magic happens. Choose your favorite scent or mix up different fragrances to create your own unique blend. Okay, now that we have our ingredients sorted, it's time for the fun part. It's time to actually make our solid perfume. We're going to start out with our candelilla wax, and we're going to add our fractionated coconut oil to it. Make sure that you have it in a heat-safe container because we're going to pop this on the double boiler. When it's on the double boiler, ensure that you stir it regularly, and once it's melted, go ahead and remove it from the heat. Now we're going to add your fragrance oil and stir it gently to go ahead and distribute the scent. Carefully pour the melted mixture into your container. If you want to add some color, you can just add a little bit of mica powder and give it a really good mix. When you're pouring, you always want to pour very slow and close to the container. Let it cool and solidify at room temperature, and once it's cooled, you can go ahead and put the lid on. And there you have it. It really is that easy to make your own solid perfume without using any beeswax, and it is super easy to create your own custom scent. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't done so already, be sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. And I did put the full recipe for this down in the description box below. Also a link to my blog where you can get a printable recipe if that's easier for you.